Hi everyone, it's Donnett with Embroidery.com. Welcome to this week's machine embroidery demo. First up today is the amazing We Wish You a Merry Christmas quilt from Kimberbell. Now the book includes, of course, all of the designs as well as step-by-step instructions of how to create the quilt, but not only just the quilt. There's a placemat setting, there's some hand towels, there's even some aprons that you kind of might see in the background over there, which you might just have to tune in next week to actually see them because they're just as fabulous as this quilt. So first off, up here we've got the two canisters with the chalk fabric, and she was able to write on there sugar, flour. Sugar and spice makes the holidays nice. Cute peppermints out of glitter flecks. I love this cup of hot cocoa with the pom-poms for the marshmallows. A rolling pin, another cup of hot cocoa. How cute is this cake holder with the cupcake underneath? The cupcake, of course, was done in glitter flecks. But then you've got the clear vinyl over the top of it. And I love that she even put on a peppermint button. Then you've got the KitchenAids, which is just so awesome. I love that she included some glitter flecks on each of them. Each of them are making something different. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Super cute. A whisk, of course, because what would it be without a whisk? And the rickrack. All you need is love and Christmas cookies. And then the cookies. We've got a tree, we've got the candy cane, a bell, the gingerbread man, and a stocking. And you can see that each one has the felt around it. The gingerbread man is made entirely of felt, and he's got some cute peppermint buttons on him. But each of the ornaments, you know, are appliqued on the felt. Then we've got some amazing quilting here. I love that they use so many different techniques and so many traditional quilting techniques in their quilts. And then at the bottom we have the 5 unique aprons, which are just amazing. Different placement options of pockets. I mean, this one's even got a spatula, a round one, and then this one's on the other side with a whisk. Now, if you'll notice, the buttons match the cookies right here on the quilt almost exactly. Almost exactly. I mean, this gingerbread guy and the gingerbread button are complete twins. So I love that they were able to match not only the designs, but the buttons coordinate like perfectly with it. And then, of course, you've got some additional quilting up here and in the 4 corners, and then just the quilting all around it. It just makes for an amazing, amazing, unique quilt that you will be able to, you know, I'm not sure if you'd want to throw it over the couch. I would probably say more of a wall hanging for your Christmas decor, but I think this just turned out amazing. Now there's a We Wish You a Merry Christmas embellishment kit. And it includes, you know, the clear vinyl, the glitter flecks. It includes all the buttons that you need to make the quilt with, as well as some brown felt for the gingerbread, as well as the pom-poms, the rickrack, the chalk fabric, as well as even a chalk pencil. So you can write on these canisters here, sugar or flour. So it includes everything you need to create this quilt. Now, we have also paired a companion thread set. This includes 12 spool. The colors include carnation, Kentucky grass, pure white, Christmas green, dusty green, classy black, nautical blue, auburn, cardinal red, dove gray, champagne, and Christmas red. So you get, not only do you have the book with all the designs in it, you've got a thread set that has the colors to go with it, along with the embellishment pack that includes all of the extras that you'll need with the chalk fabric, with the glitter flecks, with the buttons and the pom-poms, and on and on and on. So you've got everything you need to create this amazing quilt, or like I said, the other projects included in the book. So check out those next week. I'll be showing the aprons because they are just as amazing as this fabulous, unique quilt from Kimberbell. Well, that's it for today. Head over to my machine embroidery blog on Embroidery.com. I will have close-up pictures of all the projects I've shown you here today, as well as links to their design packs and thread sets. Make sure you turn your notifications on because that's how you'll know a new video is up. And as always, we love to hear your comments and suggestions, so leave those for us below. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Happy stitching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!